Welcome back to my road to Thailand. And this video is going to focus on vehicles that you don't typically or will never see or not see yet in North America. There's going to be a recording of a semi truck that I pass that is hauling a load, a flat deck load of cement blocks. The thing that amazes me about this particular thing is the fact that I drive truck for a living. This guy's going down the highway with a complete load of cement blocks on a triaxle trailer. I think it was triaxle. It wasn't just it just wasn't a tandem, but I'm pretty sure it was triaxle. I don't think they have on a single flatbed. I don't think they have more than a triaxle here in Thailand. If they have, I haven't really paid that much attention. But anyway, the point is this: not a strap, not nothing, no chains, no straps securing that load. Try doing that in North America.
The reason I took this photo of the Honda Civic is the color only. Looks good.
Absolutely not a single strap on that load. Nothing. That's a very interesting little car pickup truck scenario. Oh, there's another one right here. Same? Lamp. Louis would like this probably. He likes these little things, square looking things. Don't know on the maker. Interesting. Looks like a North American Jeep. Looks like somebody just built this car out of tube. Interesting. That Jeep is an older Jeep. It's in pretty good shape. What the heck is this? Oh, Fiat. That's an old Fiat. Interesting. Part of my never-ending series of bikes and cars you don't see in North America. Country Classic, don't know what that is. And same with this car, you won't find this in North America. Avatar. I like the color. Like the color. Almost could pass as a Tesla. This is more comfortable than a tuk-tuk. More room, comfortable seats. Oh, there's a train station, the old one. There's the new train station right there. Now I get a better view of it here. See the whole thing. Well, we walked pretty far today. We're on a different street than we normally walk, right? Because I don't recognize these places. Almost there, 110 meters. No, but he's okay because we're almost there. I got the map on it. It says turn left, your destination will be on the left. This is just a different street, that's all. Yeah. We just never... Almost. Yeah, okay. Good enough.
ใช่ซอยนี้ไหมครับค่ะตรงไปอีกนิดนึงค่ะเดี๋ยวถึงแล้วตะโกนบอกนะค่ะถึงแล้วค่ะ
Comment below if you know what the acronym BYD stands for.
Part of my never-ending series of bikes and cars you don't see in North America. Country classic, don't know what that is. And same with this car, you won't find this in North America. Avatar. I like the color. Like the color. Almost could pass as a Tesla.
Thailand consistently ranks among the top 10 most dangerous countries in the world for driving, frequently appearing in the top 5 for highest road fatality rates globally. Recent studies, 2024 to 2025, often place Thailand 5th in scariest, or most dangerous driving environments. Many accidents are attributed to hazardous behaviors, including speeding, aggressive driving, and failing to respect traffic laws. I'm convinced the double solid lines means nothing here.
You ever seen a motorcycle made out of rubber tires? Interesting. Creative.